Hey everyone, in this video we'll be going through color. So there's the color name, and then there's the hex value, and then there's also the RGB value. So we'll start off with RGB value. So it'll be RGB, and in here there's three values, which corresponds to red, green, and blue. 0 is the darkest, and 255 is the brightest. So if we wanted a bright blue, for example, red and green will be 0 in this case, and then blue will be 255. Then for the hex value, they start with hashtags, and then there's letters and numbers. For example, FF0000. So different colors, they'll have different hex values, which we could search on Google as well. So if we wanted blue, we could search blue and the hex value. So for color name, it will be direct, so blue, green, and red.